Alright, if you were wondering how to get a double pistol, alright, I will show you how. Okay, you should be in the Belgium ranch. Alright, you would want to go into this house right here. Yeah, I know, it may take me a while because I'm doing this with one hand, but alright, you see that fire? Alright, watch your health. Wait till it goes down. Okay, use that. You have to, it's all about timing. Alright, when it starts going down to red, go like this. It's about that low, pull it, press L. You die. Blows up. And you may have it. Let's see if I do. Alright then. Yep. And there you go. Double pistol. You change your weapon. You may have double grenades. And even if you die after you do this glitch, you still have double pistols, and that's all it is to it. Just keep in touch for my next video. Bye.